Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So I'm hide my YouTube. So simply open my settings. I'm not using any third-party apps. Scroll down, click on to home screen. Scroll down, then you get this option. Tap on and then showing it to your all installed apps. Select any apps, I'm select my YouTube. Okay, now it's add to hidden list. Okay, press on done. So look here, now successfully hide my YouTube apps. My YouTube apps not showing here anywhere. Okay, or if you want to unhide and find hidden apps, simply open settings again, home screen, and tap on this. Then you get hidden option. Press on to unhide and done. So look here, my YouTube is unhide. So that's it.